Our dinner for today is 새우구이.
새우 means shrimp and gui means what?
Grilled. So we've already had our light dinner because we wanted to make some extra delicious dish.
No, you guys know what happens if we film without Katie being hungry? It turns into hangry and just... So our bellies are about half full, and this is the perfect time for a little bit of a icha, second round of food. A good menu item is Korean roasted shrimp. Now you can make this at home, and we're going to show you how. Alright guys, at Costco, we saw these on sale, and check these out. These are black tiger shrimp. I think they're from Thailand. I think Thailand seafood is always like nice and big. Alright. Their mustache?
Antenna.
That one's from Monopoly. And if you see where Katie is, she's right on my arm. She's coming nowhere near these bad boys. Of course, you can work with smaller shrimp. These big guys, they have a little unicorn thing here. And when you're eating it, if you get poked by it, that's no good, no buenos. So out of safety, we can give these guys a little cut with kitchen shears. Okay, this one's moving.
하지마, 이제 안 재밌어. Maybe that's how they attack the purveyors.
Purveyor?
맞지?
You mean the predators?
Predators, that's what I meant.
I think purveyors is like a food purveyor. Alright guys, and the second thing, if they got like these long mustaches, then you can just trim those. At the Korean food bars, they usually roast them whole, but since this guy's very big, I want to devein it, and it's up to you. If you're using smaller ones, you can skip it. If you look at these big ones, it's very dangerous. It's very slippery to go with the knife. So you go in right where the head is and start from the soft, and then it's very easy to cut. So, like that.
Okay, and careful with your hand too.
Yeah. Alright, and then you can just take out the vein. We didn't explain what the benefit of salt roasting is. If you cook shrimp before, like on a barbecue, the worst part is if it overcooks and it turns very dry. So if you cook it in salt, it cooks perfectly even and it stays very plump and juicy. Since we're going to put these on a bed of salt, you don't want water dripping onto the salt. Then it's going to kind of melt the salt and make these shrimp way too salty. Instead, we want the salt to stay in its crystal form and not melt so that we could brush it off the shrimp. So you don't have to use a lot of paper towels. There's not that much. Just, you know, wipe off excess.
We're gonna make 2 layers of aluminum foil. I've seen Daniel do this without it, and he almost killed the pan.
I did kill the pan. I retired it. 한 개만 더 하자.
The second layer down.
Second layer down.
So round it out so it fits on the pan. And the key thing is we're gonna use coarse rock salt. You know, those big, thick ones.
Yeah.
The reason being is with the small ones, they just stick to the shrimp and...
You're gonna be biting into salt.
Yes. So we want the salt crystal so we can knock them off. Like, shake it off.
Salt crystals may be at least this size here.
And then spread them out. Just make a small bed. Hey Daniel, you're gonna be in Thailand next week, right?
Yes, yes.
To do what?
I'm gonna go get my advanced scuba license.
Woohoo!
Are we gonna be in a Koh Phi Phi, or is it Koh Phi Phi Island? Apparently there's like manta rays, and hopefully we can see. But there's a lightning storm going on that day, so we'll see.
You'll survive, don't worry.
I believe so. Alright, and with your frying pan, make sure you have something that actually fits. This is from another pot, but it does fit, so it works. Next, we'll put this on a medium-high heat. And just like a Korean kimchi-bang, we're going to wait till the salt crystals get nice and hot underneath. How are you going to hear? The heat, it's going to absorb the moisture out of the salt, and you're going to hear poke, 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 poke. Guys, do you hear it?
Yes.
잠깐만. Do you hear it?
Yes.
Let's put them down.
지금? 벌써? 오, 벌써 it's cooking. Look at the visual.
Beautiful. I'm sorry, no Insta shots today. We're gonna close that and set a timer for around 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna reduce the heat from a medium high to about a medium. Alright, timer's up guys. Let's check it out.
Show me. Wow!
Holy shnikes.
This is amazing.
Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that beauty. Wow.
We don't even have to flip it.
Let's take a little close-up. Beautiful.
Do you see that stripe?
You see these
Oh
other
my God.
juices?
It also starts to smell amazing.
Alright guys, and remember what we said about using coarse salt? Now we can just hit those guys off. I want to just show you how juicy the shrimp is.
Ooh,
Wow, so juicy.
oh my gosh. It looks like crab meat.
Holy
And
shnikes.
it's so well cooked.
My gosh. This
빨리
is
먹자.
perfectly cooked.
It's so moist.
Is juicy.
It's like the beef. It has the juice inside.
Alright Kitty, that's all you.
Daniel, you can try.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my god, I can go through this whole thing right now.
Really? Okay, so can you make another one for me?
Oh, we should crack this over some rice so that head juice gets all over the rice. We should have made a dip for this.
We don't have a dip? 원래 필요 없는데 소금구이는.
Here you go, Katie.
Thank you, Mamma Mia.
Mamma mia, Papa Mia.
Guys, if you want to have a late night discussion with your mom or dad, or just do a little celebration over anything, I think this is great.
It is.
And get a little bit of beer.
Perfecto. Adios, neighbors. See you soon.